Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Dodge Challenger airbag. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Wait at least 2 minutes for the system to fully discharge, preventing accidental deployment. Always ensure your steering wheel is centered and locked. This crucial step helps avoid unexpected airbag activation during the removal process. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves for protection. Now let's access the airbag module. On the back of your steering wheel, you'll find 2 small access holes. Carefully insert a small flathead screwdriver or a pick tool into these holes. You'll feel a spring clip release. Repeat this on both sides. Once both clips are disengaged, gently pull the airbag assembly away from the steering wheel, revealing the electrical connectors behind it. With the airbag module slightly pulled forward, you'll see 2 electrical connectors. These are typically orange or yellow. Each connector has a small locking tab that needs to be gently pried up. Once unlocked, press the main release tab on each connector and carefully pull them straight out. Avoid pulling on the wires themselves. This ensures you don't damage the delicate wiring harness. After disconnecting both electrical connectors, the airbag module is now free and can be completely removed from the steering wheel. When storing the airbag, always place it face up in a cool, dry area, away from any heat sources. For reinstallation, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all electrical connectors click firmly into place and the retaining clips engage securely. Double-check all connections before reconnecting the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.